sector that an aid will be released to them through the LGU funds. Basta dili lang sila magpalabi po no na capriciously na mo pataas kay tungod ni taas ang pagpataas sa ilahang pamasahe kay tungod ni taas ang fuel. Now the question is paunsa na to ensure na without political bias na dili na mo entrahan og pamulitika. Mupasok yun ang Santa Cruz Franchising and Regulatory Board since we have a database man ma'am. So the aid will be given to those drivers with valid franchise. Sugod man kita sa mga requisites dira. Okay, basing tanan na lang mapwede cover, tanan na lang po na masada na lang. So valid franchise, we also need to have driver's license, professional. And there are instances wherein a pedicab unit or a motorized bicycle for hire is not directly driven by the operator. So we will be needing a clearance or a certificate from the operator to the driver. Para klaro yun, diba? Kasi ang mahitabuan ni isa ka unit na ganting drivers. So those are the measures that the LGU has been considering or will make no in times na ma-release na namo na pundo. Now, duha kasi si Mayor dili wa pa ta kabalugod, this is kuan man good, wala ta kabalo kung hantod kanus So aside from that LGU fund, naningkamot ang ato ang local government unit to partner with different national agencies and department. And one of that is the DSWD. So within this week or early next week, na napunta i-roll out na DSWD funded na fuel subsidy assistance. So naman po yung own guidelines po ng DSWD and walay politiko. We can assure you na walay politiko sa Santa Cruz na moangkon ana na programa. And even kung nagikan man gani sa walay politiko na mag-apil-apil ana na pag-release na program because we have those requirements. Pag wala atong requirements, we are very sorry, dili gyud makadawat ana na programa, but still we have other menu of programs man. Lapad man yung programs na atong hisgutanan. Kaya again, dili lang mga drivers ang affected ani. Even the middle class, even those who are paying taxes are affected. Even your local officials are affected with this crisis that we are facing. So lapad yung programa na atong hisgutanan, dili lang sa mga drivers.